Maytag washer error code 06, also shown as F06 or F6, indicates a problem with the drive motor tachometer or motor control. The key components involved in Maytag washer error code 06 are the drive motor, control board, and Hall effect sensor. The drive motor is a brushless DC motor equipped with a tachometer that measures the motor's rotational speed. The control board, or CCU, processes signals from various sensors and controls the washer's overall functions. The Hall effect sensor detects the magnetic field around the motor to ensure proper rotation and speed. A failure in any of these key components can trigger the error code 06. Error code 06 in Maytag washers can result from several common causes. Let's examine the main factors that trigger this error. Electrical glitches, such as power surges or damaged wiring harnesses, can interfere with the communication between the control board and drive motor, leading to error 06. Mechanical wear affects components like motor bearings or the tachometer sensor. As these parts age, they may fail to accurately measure or maintain motor speed, triggering the error. Software bugs in the washer's firmware or control board can cause incorrect signal interpretation. This is more common in older models that haven't received recent updates. User overloads occur when too much laundry is placed in the drum. This puts excessive strain on the motor, preventing it from reaching the required speed. Unbalanced loads happen when laundry is not evenly distributed in the drum. This creates excessive vibration, making it difficult for the motor to maintain consistent speed. This error usually appears during the spin cycle, when the drive motor doesn't achieve the expected revolutions per minute, typically between 400 and 600 RPM. The first step in troubleshooting error code 06 is to perform a reset sequence. Unplug your washer from the power outlet for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the control board to fully discharge and clear any temporary errors. After plugging back in, try running the washer's diagnostic mode. For newer Maytag models, press the power button and start button simultaneously for 3 seconds. This will initiate a self-test that often resolves the issue. If the error persists after these steps, inspect the wiring harnesses for damage and consider replacing any faulty parts. After resetting your Maytag washer, perform these DIY fixes to inspect connectors and wiring for error code 06. First, ensure safety by disconnecting power from the outlet and turning off the water supply valves. This prevents electrical shock and water leaks while you work. Locate the motor connectors behind the washer's rear or bottom panel. Check for signs of corrosion, such as green or white buildup on the metal contacts. If corrosion is present, clean the connectors using a contact cleaner like Diox IT. Apply the cleaner to a soft brush or cloth and gently scrub the contacts, then wipe away residue. Examine the wiring harness connected to the motor. Look for frayed insulation, exposed wires, or physical damage that could cause electrical faults. Ensure all connectors are securely plugged in and wires are tightly fastened. Wiggle connectors gently to check for looseness that might interrupt the motor's communication. After completing these checks, reassemble the panels and run a test cycle to see if error code 06 is resolved. If the error code 06 persists after performing resets and checking connectors visually, the tachometer sensor itself may be faulty. This sensor is responsible for measuring the motor's rotational speed during spin cycles, ensuring the washer operates correctly. Types of tachometers include mechanical designs that use friction or vibrating reeds to detect speed. In modern washers, tachometer data appears on dashboards, and faults can trigger error codes like the one shown here. When faulty, replacement is necessary and typically costs between $150 and $300 for professional installation. If the tachometer is not the issue, the control board, also called the CCU, could be malfunctioning. This component processes signals from the drive motor and can trigger error 06 if it misreads tachometer data or has electrical faults. Control board replacements are more expensive, ranging from $200 to $400. Consider this option if other solutions fail, especially with older models that may have moisture damage or firmware issues. Preventative measures and future trends. Prevent error 06 by balancing loads, avoiding overfilling the washer, and performing regular cleaning. New washers increasingly feature smart diagnostics and over-the-air updates, potentially reducing error frequency. Regular cleaning and balanced loads prevent 60% of F06 triggers.